YouTube, this is DIY with Donna, and today we're going to talk about how to power wash your deck. Some items that you might need are cleaning solution, of course a power washer with some gas, hose and water, and after you finish power washing, a sealant and some rollers and brushes. Of course, t-shirts matching your water boots are optional. To protect your eyes, use safety glasses. So this is how our deck looked before, grayish and not that pleasing to the eye. So Will's connecting the hose to the solution. So you want to use a power washer solution. You don't want to use soaps or detergents because that could be harmful to pets and gardens. So then you want to hook up your hose to your pressure washer. Sometimes I say power washer, but it's a pressure washer. So you want to spray back and forth in an evenly fashion over the area that you're trying to clean. Ooh, it's beginning to look good. You can see how taking off the top layer shows the pine coming through in a nice yellow-orange color. Of course, if you are using a ladder, be extremely careful when power washing. So after you finish pressure washing the deck, you want to give it a couple of days before you put your sealant on it.
Yeah. Good.
This was DIY with Donna and Will. See you next time.